Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about doing math that allows for decimal places. If you looked at the previous video on integer math, you noticed that when you divided two integers, if there was any decimal portion to that, it would be truncated. Also, you would not be allowed to put in any numbers with decimal places because those are not integers. So usually you want to do math with the possibility of having decimal places. That's pretty normal. In order to do that, we need to declare variables that can handle decimal places, and in Java the one you typically use is double. Double means double precision. Double precision is a technical term meaning that it can store really big and really small numbers. So when you see double, it's confusing, like double what? Well, it means it's a decimal number that can be really big. It's one of those things that you just have to remember. So I'm declaring two variables just as we had last time, int x, int y. Now we have double x, double y. We create our scanner object. We prompt the user for a decimal value. We read in that value using the next double method. We prompt for another decimal value. We read that in using the next double method. And then we do our math by declaring four variables of type double and doing the math with them. And then we print them out the same way we did with the integers, where we're concatenating the values. So we're taking the x value, concatenating that to the plus sign, concatenating that to the y value, concatenating that to the equal sign, and concatenating that to the add. So it's just like gluing these things together so they can be printed out together. Alright, so let's run this and see how it actually works. Compile and run. So let's put in, I'm going to put in 4.3 and 2.1. And here's our results. Well, the plus is pretty much what you would expect. You got 6.4. But what the heck is up with this? 4.3 minus 2.1 should be 2.2. It's telling us 2.199999997. Are they crazy? Why is it not 2.2? Well, you've just discovered one of the nutty things about Java. When you have a decimal place in Java from the result of a subtraction, sometimes from division, you can get these funny decimals when you print it out. That doesn't mean that the number isn't correct internally. The computer knows it's 2.2. So why does it print out 2.1999999? Personally, I blame it on the developers of Java. As far as I'm concerned, they missed something very fundamental, but that's the way it is. Now, there are actually ways around this that you'll have to learn. For now, just take it from me that the computer knows that it's actually 2.2, and it's just printing out this long decimal number. So that can be very confusing, but at least now we have done math with decimal places, as confusing as that could be. Alright, great. I think that's going to be it for now.